Welcome to TechIQ. Today we will learn how to remove footer credit link from our WordPress site. Firstly, open your site and check if your footer has a credit link. Now, open your admin panel by typing /wp-admin. Now open your site in another tab to check real-time changes. Go to Customize. Now go to Appearance and go to Theme Editor. Inside Theme Files, find Theme Footer file. Click on it and find a printf function. Most of the website gives you facility to remove your footer credit link. We just have to replace 1 with 0. Now update your file and check in another tab by refreshing. As you can see, the credit link has gone. Now let us change 0 to 1 again and check if it reappears. As you can see, the footer credit link has reappeared. Most of the themes doesn't gives you this facility. In order to remove footer credit link, you have to delete this selected part of your coding. Now update your file and check your website by refreshing it again. Yes, it's gone. Now you will be able to remove footer credit link from your any WordPress site. You can join our Telegram channel from the link given in description to get our latest updates. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us through your like, share and subscribe to TechIQ.